Now we have to prove some of the problems. Okay, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they will give questions like this, and then you have to prove. Okay, how to do it? See, first step that you have to do when they give questions like this, you have to convert whatever is there, you have to convert into cos or sine. Okay, that will be the easy method that you can do. Okay, the first thing is that. Next, you should know formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, correct? Similarly, you should know formula for a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, if it is plus, then it will be plus here, right? So this formula. Also, you should know a plus b whole cube. That's not much important, but one problem is there related to this. These two are very, very important. Okay. First, you have to convert this ck or tan a, whatever it might be. You can convert into sine cos. For example, ck, then it is 1 by cos a. Cosec, then it is 1 by sine a. Tan a, then it is sine a by cos a. Okay, so or cot a is equal to cos a by sine a. So in this way, you have to convert into sine a or tan a. Sorry, sine a or cos a. That's very important. So that's the first step. Okay, fine. Now, what to do with the first this? Okay, first, what is ck? You can write it as 1 by cos a. Now I have informed whatever the ratio you have to convert into sine or cos. Okay, into 1 minus sine a, you're keeping as it is because it's sine a only, right? You can keep as it is. So this is done. Here you have ck. Convert this ck to 1 by cos a. Correct? Ck is nothing but 1 by cos a. Tan a is nothing but sine a divided by cos a. So that what you will get, see here common denominator is cos a, correct? So you will get 1 plus sine a divided by cos a. Similarly here it is 1 minus sine a divided by cos a. Okay, like this. Now closely observe both, this is multiply, not plus. So don't take it again common denominator. Okay, so denominator is cos square a, correct? Look into the top. See, one is a minus b and a plus b form, right? So you can see 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a. So that's why I said you should remember this formula, a square minus b square. So you can write it as 1 square minus sine square a. Okay, so 1 minus sine square a is nothing but cos square a. Yake? Because you know that cos square a plus sine square a is equal to 1, correct? So that cos square a is nothing but 1 minus sine square a. So cos square a divided by cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, so this is how I solved this problem. Okay, fine. Let's see with the next one, this one. You have to prove this as cosec a minus 1 divided by cosec a plus 1. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. See, this is a question, right? So now it's written here. Cot a, how you can write? You can write it as cos a by sin a, correct? Similarly, cos a, you can write it as it is. In the denominator, again, cot a you have, so you can write it as cos a by sin a plus cos a. So that in the denominator and numerator, both way cos a is common. So you can remove cos a outside. So that cos A get cancelled. Only remaining is 1 by sin A minus 1 divided by 1 by sin A plus 1. Right? 1 by sin A means what? 1 by sin A means what? It's a cosec A, correct? So 1 by sin is cosec, 1 by cos is sec. Okay, you should remember that. So 1 by sin A is cosec A minus 1 and 1 by sin A plus 1, that is cosec A plus 1. Okay, hence the proof. This is how you have to prove. Whether you understood these two problems? Whether you understood these two problems? I have explained it in a very, very simple manner so that it's very easy for you to understand. Still, if you didn't understand, you can let me know. Okay, there is nothing wrong because I can explain it again. Two, three, four, five. Okay. Great. So I understood till here. Great. Okay with that. Okay. Let's move on to the next some of the problems. I'll give you one problem. Okay. You have to solve now. This one. No, let's do that later. Try this one. See, it's very, what you can do is in a very easy way also you can do if you have any kind of formulas. Okay, try now. See, 9 sec square A. Okay, 9 into sec square. How you can write sec square? It is nothing 1 by cos square A, correct? Minus 9 into tan square A is nothing but what? Sin square A divided by cos square A, correct? So the common denominator is cos square A and 9 is outside. You can keep 9 outside so that you will get 1 minus sin square A, correct? 1 minus sin square A is nothing but what? It's cos square A, correct? So cos square A divided by cos square A. So you get cancelled. So the answer is 9. Okay, answer is B. Correct? Did you understand how I did this problem? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಸುಲಭ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ದೆನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಈಸಿ ವೇ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲೋ solve this and let me know the answer. Come on, start. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 1 plus tan square A. What is the relation? We have sec square A alva, sec square A alva, divided by 1 plus cot square A ಹೇಗೆ cosec square A ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ sin square A by cos square A ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಸಹ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by cos square A ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ cosec square A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1 by sin square A ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು sin square A divided by cos square A ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ sin square A by cos square A ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan square A. So this is a right answer, option D. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Now let's solve this problem. See, now you have many problems still here. Okay, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡುವ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್. See, this is the right hand side that answer you should get. Okay, so first you start doing in from here. Okay, so convert this. Cosec is 1 by sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta whole square, and then solve. On solving, sine theta is common, take the square of like that. Solve, try to solve, and let me know whether you got the answer or not. I'll give around 3 minutes of time, because if I do it, you will do it. You'll just see that you will never try to do it. So what I thought is, at least you can try something, and that will help you to understand the problems better. Okay, do it now. So I'm solving here. 1 minus cos theta whole square, correct, divided by, you get sine square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square you can keep as it is. Okay, and now what you will get here, in the denominator you get sine square theta, right? So that is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta, correct alva? So idan hege baribodu 1 square minus cos square theta anta baribodu alva, because 1 square is 1, so you can write in this way. So adanna hege baribodu, further steps alli a plus b into a minus b form alli baribodu alva. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, correct? So 1 minus cos theta, one the numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and remaining is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Do you understand this problem? Look at the steps properly and let me know that whether you have understood it or not. Okay, Samantha. Samantha has understood. What about others? Okay, understood now? Great. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, this one. Now, how you solve this? See here, if it all are in sine A and cos A, then what you will do? Then you have to cross multiply. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'll cross multiply. I mean, not cross multiply in the sense common denominator. Cos square A, I have multiplied this and this, and multiplying this plus 1 plus sine A whole square divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay. So now observe cos square theta, cos square A plus 1 square plus sine square A plus 2 sine A. Alva? Correct ala? A plus B whole square formula. 1 square A square plus B square plus 2 sine 2 AB. Alva? That's what I have written. Okay. And denominator we have 1 plus sine A into cos A. Correct? See, cos square A plus sine square A is so how much? Cos square A plus sine square A is 1. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1, how much? 2. Correct? Cos square A plus sine square A is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sine A. Okay? 2 sine A divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay? Now here 2 is common, so you can remove 2 outside. Okay, so what will get? 1 plus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay, so this and this cancel, so that you will get 2 divided by cos A. So that is nothing but 2 ck. Alva? 1 by cos A is nothing but ck. So that you have proved this problem. Did you understand? Only 2 have understood. Samantha, Abhiram, Matrana, Rajwal, Adya, Smriti. What about Namrita? What about Pavana? What about Sahira? Pavan Kumar? Did you understand? Okay, Sahira. What about Pavan Kumar? Namrita, then you can check once, I update this into YouTube, you can check there. Okay. If you didn't understand still, you can let me know. Okay, Namrita? Okay. Yeah. Hitaishi, did you understand? I think Hitaishi is not in the meeting. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Let's move on to the next problem. See, next you have to solve at home. Okay. What I'll do is I'll solve tomorrow morning in the class, because at least you have to try some of the problems, or else, if I do all the problems, then there is no meaning. Of course, tomorrow I will solve, but at least you have to try today. See, if they have written LHS and RHS separately in the sense, then you have to prove. You have to prove separately. For example, you have to take this and you have to solve. Similarly, you have to take this separate and solve. Both answers should be same. For example, if you get answer as X here, not X, you'll not get X. I'm just telling. Okay. Same thing you should get here also. Okay, that's how they are asking, like LHS and RHS separately. Okay, and some they have given a clue, like use the the identity. Okay, and all these, and similarly here they have asked LHS and RHS separately. Okay, so try these problems. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. Okay, all these 7 problems are important. They might ask any question, but you should be very thorough. If you solve these problems, at least you could solve 3 problems, then you're great in solving the problems related to trigonometry, because you're really doing great. Other than, well, most of the students cannot solve these problems, but at least you can do problems like the previous one you could solve easily, so you can do it easily. Okay, yeah, you can try this at home. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems are there, because you don't have any other homeworks to do, because everything has been solved already now. All other questions of this chapter already we solved now. Okay, only remaining is this. See, I'll just give a clue. See, here you have to use a plus b whole cube formula. Okay, a plus b whole cube formula. You have to know what is the formula, for this, and then substitute, and then you can solve. Okay, when you get like this plus, okay, between two terms, then you have to take a common denominator. But once you convert this tan theta cot theta to sin theta by cos theta, or cos theta by sin theta, in that way you have to solve, and then you can multiply it. I mean, in the sense, you can take a common denominator. Okay, similarly here, it's easy. This one is easy, and even this one is easy. This one you might feel bit difficult, but you can try. Okay, similarly, even this you might feel, but this one is very easy. Even this one is easy. Even this one is easy. Okay, it's easy problems. Even this one easy. Okay, you might feel this might be tough for you, but even this, these 3 problems might feel tough, but at least you try, at least you reach half the problem. That's really great. Okay, you have to solve today by 7. You have to send me the answer. Please don't Google it, or please don't try to search anywhere. Try to solve on your own. you know you can, if you're doing it, you can fool me. Okay, that's fine, but you should not fool yourself. At least you should understand, you have to try it. Because if you copy something, then nothing will change. You will never learn something, and you cannot impress a teacher from that. Of course you might impress for the moment, but ultimately it will not change anything. The productive change will not happen. Okay, so that's why I request, how much try to solve that. And if you don't know, at least you have solved it, right? That's enough. And tomorrow I'll be solving the problem so that you can understand. So tomorrow again I'll take 2 hours where I'll solve these problems, and then we are starting introduction to trigonometry. Okay, fine. I think we have completed around 7 chapters as of now, 2 in chemistry and 2 in physics. Mathematics, this is 3. Mathematics 3. Bio, oh okay, bio we have completed 2. Almost how many chapters we have completed then? Chemistry 2, chemistry 2 chapters, physics 2 chapters, maths 3 chapters. Okay, 7. And bio 1, bio 2. So totally we have completed 9 chapters as of now, right? Totally we have completed 9 chapters. Correct? Correct, Allah? I think yes, we have completed 9 chapters as of now. Okay.